airfix North American P51D Mustang. In this video I'm going to completely build it, paint it, decals, everything, and then I'll give a picture review on what I thought of the kit at the end of it. So let's start building it. Well, in conclusion, that is a beautiful kit. It really is. The colour schemes on it, really striking. I don't like it. You can see I've painted the yellow stripes, but you do get decals for that, but I thought I'll paint it because I prefer it than putting decals, because sometimes the decals don't look quite as good. But if you look at the decals I've put on, and there, you can't feel them at all. They're recessed down nice into it. There wasn't a single decal that didn't go on perfectly, which says a lot. Two things, though I will point out, that piece there goes into that part of the there goes in, but that is very, very fragile. I did crack it. You can't see it now because obviously it's been glued in place and that, but I did crack it trying to clean it up because there were a lot of flash on it, and it's really, really fine, but it has gone in okay, so I'm happy enough with that. And the second one is that piece there, the aerial, that is that one there, and even after starting to clean it up, the flash on it is so thick, and where the actual piece is connected is rather thick as well. I decided I'm just going to cut a piece of copper wire and just put it on like that instead. It's okay. The canopy, lovely. Obviously you don't see a lot once you've glued them in, and that's the reason why on this one, because I've got it shut, I was doing it from the start shut, I haven't put the pilot in. Pilot, I don't know if you can see it, he's in very, very nice pilot. A lot of nice detail on that, very little flash as well, so it's a good pilot. It's definitely one you can use. So overall I'd give that one a 10 out of 10 from Airfix for their kits. To say, especially one I did not long ago that were horrid, this is fantastic. Recommend it for anybody. On that note, we'll see you around for the next one. Please like, please subscribe, it does help my channel out and it pushes me on to do some more videos. So thanks a lot, catch you later.